So you're ready to have your piece laser engraved. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the cable, the printer cable for the laser engraver, and stick it into a USB slot on the side of your computer. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the laser engraver, and on the back, then you need to go turn this switch on. And what happens when you turn that on is the exhaust from the laser engraver is going to vent outside, so you don't have smoke coming back in the room. Because sometimes when you laser engrave wood, it smokes and then you have a smoky smell in the room. So the next thing you need to do is you're going to insert your material into the laser engraver, and I'll show you how to do that. So next what you're going to do is you're going to insert your material into the laser engraver. You're going to open the cover of the laser engraver and set your material inside. And then what you're going to do is take this little piece of metal, flip it upside down. The bottom of this needs to contact the top of your material. So we're going to, on the front of the laser engraver, XY off, and then hit go. You're going to raise the bed up. So push up, and you're waiting for the bottom of this to touch the top of your material. When you're done with that, you're going to flip it up, put it back. Now you want to set your XY coordinates, so I'm going to turn the pointer on, and you see the dot of the laser. So that's going to tell you where your laser is going to start printing. And you're going to set XY here, and then click on Set Home. Going to go File Print in case the print window is closed. Page setup, we've already done that. Everything looks as it should. Hit OK. If you do not create it on the computer that you're going to print it to, you're going to need to save it to a jump drive, email it to yourself, open it up, and then continue on. So we're going to click on Print, and we're on the Epilogue laser engraver. That's what you want to be on in order for it to print, and then hit Print. Tells you it's printing, and it should be ready to go. You know you're going to be ready to go when you look back at the printer and it says on the screen here, it says job 1, and right now I haven't titled it. So it says job 1 untitled. If you're doing this for the first time, you've saved your file, which you probably will. Your name is going to appear right here. So I think we're ready to go. You're just going to hit go. If it's not printing where you want it to print, you hurry up and hit stop, and then we can look at what happened there after that. So I'm just going to hit go. And you can see and it's starting to print. Now, unlike the 3D printer, it does not tell you how long it takes. It will tell you right here on the screen when it's all done, how long it took. And so we're just going to wait for this to finish printing. About 8 minutes, it finally finished up. I'm going to shut the laser engraver off. Please shut the laptop down and turn the switch that was on the wall to the off position. And you can remove your piece from the laser engraver. So you can see there's some little burn marks. So to go ahead and finish that off, you might want to take a piece of sandpaper, sand all the burn marks off, and your product is done.